Hello, and welcome to another update on Solana. We are tracking here currently the daily chart and still bullish movement, right? So we're still tracking higher prices. There is no sign a meaningful top has formed. Rather, the green candle we see here right now is quite promising. The price is holding all support levels. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really tracking any larger support areas here at the moment on the daily chart. That will really only make sense once the price has formed a more substantial price top and has started some kind of a pullback. But for now, the pullback is really small and holding, and the bulls are holding even the smallest micro support levels, right? And we will take a look at that on the smaller time frame, on the short-term chart, because there we can identify the relevant micro levels that keep the local uptrend intact. Obviously, we're tracking here still this C wave to the upside, as you probably know, within a third wave. That's still our third wave here in a diagonal pattern that should ideally reach $305 plus. Again, that's the 138% extension and the first ideal target for any third wave. So it's looking good, yeah. Overall, the context suggests that we are in a C wave in the white scenario, which is part of this, A, B, C structure. We could also be in a larger fifth wave. Essentially, that doesn't make a difference in the short term. Both of these scenarios and potentials should move together for a little while. And yeah, if we look at the white scenario here, even in a more direct fashion, we could watch for higher prices and a rally towards 284, but probably rather $305 next anyway. But really for precision, we need to focus on the shorter time frame. And this is interesting because here on the shorter time frame, you see also the roadmap to $305 plus, here in this area, as a possible diagonal structure. And what we've been tracking over recent weeks is here this A, B, C structure in wave 3, and the C wave as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. This was our support area. Price already reacted to it. Let's see if we can get the direct breakout. Again, price spent a few days in the range. It was not a very weak pullback. It was a healthy pullback. Maybe it's over. I would not be surprised to see a broader wave 4 at this point. That can happen, for example, as an A, B, C structure, and then up. Would not be surprised at all. But we don't need that. The price already moved into support. It was more than just touching support. Price dipped actually into the support area. What I can tell you is, though, the move up from the swing low from the 15th of September is a 3-wave move up. So that does not really clearly give us any confirmation a low is in. However, bear in mind we're dealing with an ending diagonal pattern here. Also, the third wave was an ABC. So the fifth wave should be an ABC pattern. And A waves can be 3-wave movements. What I want to say is we don't really need to get a 5-wave move up. The market could just grind higher in a very corrective fashion, very messy, ugly fashion. And we don't need to see a 5-wave move to move higher, right? It just simply means it might take a little longer before we can really confirm that we're going up. Like now, this is a 3-wave move up. We have to understand that if it's a diagonal, it can at any point break out. It's trying to break out here. It's moved already above the last highs. So watching if this can continue. I'll keep you updated about that. What we want to do in this video, define a possible micro target range for the next move up. If we really bottomed, then this internal fifth wave that we're tracking here so it should take the price into this area between $261 and $280. I'm going to remove the levels we don't need anymore, so to just generate a little bit of room here. But yeah, 261, 269, and 280 would be our next resistance levels. It's not confirmed yet, I have to say that clearly, that we're breaking out, but the momentum is promising, and we've broken above our first signal line. So I'm definitely watching for it. Yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to check out our membership options. With a gold membership, you can also join our Discord server And if you're interested, also, check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and some updates that we don't even share here on YouTube. Thanks so much. By the way, the link to X is in the description and comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.